it's Faye. First, I want to let you guys know that I created a Lisa Linda Discord where we can fangirl together, have deep, real conversations back and forth because, you know, we're nosy, so it makes sense. I already feel super close with the Lindas on Discord, so make sure to join my server. I was inspired and I wanted to create a place where we felt safe, where we felt our feelings were validated, and just this bubble of you and me talk like we're hanging out in real life. And I've been dying to start a Discord for 10,000 steps a day, remember that challenge, where we can keep each other accountable and show the proof that we're walking our steps every single day. I'm currently on week 3 and I need some motivation. So if you're interested and want to work out with me and also eat good food, then let's do it together, because at the end of the day, do something for yourself. Put yourself first. I choose me. I encourage you to create your own space, your world where you can find people who are just like you. Imagine building a server and bringing people from all sorts of communities together. That's inspiring. Download the app, come chat with me, and also bring pizza because I'm thinking of a pizza party. Plus, we can video chat and voice chat, so that'd be kind of fun. Like, come on, Discord. Thank you for partnering up with me because I think I found my new spot. Welcome to the haul. Bestie, it has been a while since I did a lip hop haul. Finally, we're back into our baddie, big booby girl, K-style hauls. Hopefully it fits because we are mid-size in America. Sizes in Asia obviously fit differently on a body like mine. I fit anywhere from an 8 to 10 for my bottoms. Tops I fit anywhere from medium to large, so it just really depends. Asian sizes run smaller. And also a lot of things run one size in Asia. Is that body inclusive? No. I'm here to show you guys the realistic way of how clothes fit. These lip hop clothes have been sitting in my living room for about a month and a half now. I'm intrigued with this. Oh my god, I can't wait to try this on. Looks like it's gonna fit perfectly. Okay, so first of all, I love this color right now. As you guys can tell, I'm on this spiel green. Okay, well, first of all, let's look how obvious these pads are. It's a blob of circle. You know what I could do? I could fix you, is what I'm gonna do. No, yes. Oh, no. I lied. There is no slit to slip out these fake booby pads. Look how obvious. I know I went to IHOP a couple times and hid pancakes in my shirt to bring home to snack on later, but you don't have to do me like this. They are sewn in with the strap. For the tank, it wraps around the busticles, so be careful because if this flap goes down, exposure to the under boobies. I do really like this black elastic strap. It's adjustable. The black on green is interesting, isn't it? This color, oh my gosh, the pads make me look like my boobs are lopsided. I mean, they are. Didn't know we were calling each other out today. It reminds me of the Grinch green from last week's haul in a very humble way. I feel like if you're shy to wear green and incorporate green into your like style and your clothing, try this green. The quality is not amazing, as you can see. I do love the shape it gives to my body though. My chesty besties are sagging a bit, as we all know, as we all greatly know. This top kind of embraces that, but in a very like flattering way, especially with the way it hugs my tummy. Still like cute and perky, kind of. I could find appreciation for this. Okay, I'm realizing with this haul that I bought a lot of things but in different colors. I didn't realize, but I bought this in yellow as well. It's not as horrible as the green. I'm talking about the pancakes. They are still there, but they're not as prominent in your face. I stole from IHOP. There is this weird bending in this cup that might cause some confusion. Again, with the black straps and the wrap detailing, the cuppies, nice fitting on the tummy part. I like this one, but I'm just so obsessed with the green that I just wish quality was just a little bit better with the green so you don't have to see the pancake cups. This one's not too bad though, and I do really like how the black complements the yellow a little bit more than the green. I feel like a honeybee. You know that song? I'm low-key going through something right now. But I'm fine. This next piece is a drop shoulder plaid crop shirt. Okay. This is cute. It's supposed to be a crop, but because my torso is so short, can you see how short my torso is? Fits perfectly. Not something to flaunt. Let's just say I will not button it because, I mean, we can, but I'm gonna look like a stuffed lumberjack potato. In fact, a squash. I wanna feel free. I feel like this could be such a wearable piece during the summertime when you wanna just throw something on and like not be completely naked, but be like semi-naked. If you're a big booby girl like me, sometimes you feel kind of insecure having everything out. The shoulders, the armpit cookies, and the flabby jello. arms. It's super light and thin that you can feel airy in this and still get like a nice breeze. You know, I need that sometimes. Also, the pattern has this like spoofy, kind of like glowy tinge to it. Yeah. Look how cute and dainty it is. You can't tell me that's not cute. Come on, Linda. Here's the next piece. Oh my gosh, so fun, but so cow. First of all, look at this detailing on the sleeve that goes all the way up to your shoulder. Yes. Miss Elite. It almost looks like a braid, but it's not a braid. It's just a scrunch on the sleeves. Creates this waterfall balloon shape to the sleeve, and I love that. And then on the waistline, it has this cinching band that's super subtle. It's not tightening at all, along with the fabric tucking in certain areas that shape you want for the girls. That's fun and all, but let me ask, it's dirty at the back, and I don't know how I got dirty at the back. There's like some track marks. Definitely did not get run over. I think my suitcase did it. As we can see, there's like a turtleneck running on the neck, and for the longest time I did not have a neck. Didn't feel comfortable wearing this. Now I do. A semi-neck. Oh, I forgot to tell you about the fabric of this. It's like a blanket. It's literally the same fabric. It's a blanket. If this doesn't prove that this is comfortable, then like you have some things to evaluate. Congratulations on the baby. Can one of you Lindas pop out a baby already? Take one for the team because I'm ready to be a godmother. Anyway, I gotta go. Ta-ta. So this is a mustard set. It has this sweater that's super long to my mid-thighs and some sweatpants, like so. It completely matches. I know what my boyfriend will call me right now. I am a rock. Never agreed to that until this very moment. I do feel like a solid mustard rock. The way the model wore it, she looks so good because she had height to her, right? Given the fact that I'm barely 5 foot, I look like the chick that just cracked out of her egg today. Like bok. At least these sweatpants are high and stretchy. They don't like smash my tummy rolls together. The bottoms look like I'm a genie in a bottle, baby. That's cool. I look like a starfish right now. Sweater goes down, guys. It goes down. What even are proportions anymore? Where are my legs? My legs are the same length as my arms right now. Literally the same length. But I don't care. I like it. I like being in like lazy clothes like this. Doing my thing. Doing my thing. Doing my thing. Kind of cute, kind of fun. I still feel like I'll make a statement if I wear this out. Yes, I'm a broke bitch. But I'm a broke bitch with some season. I'd like a 10-piece chicken nugget with that, please. I look like a french fry, but also a chicken nugget, but also honey mustard. You can call me delicious. The perfect meal. Okay, say we tuck that under a brew. I don't have a brew on though, or we could just tuck it in our pants. Tuck. I don't really care. I will say, these pants, we gotta fix it though. I want tucked, accentuated. I am a model. I feel confident. Oh my god, look. If this does not scream couple goals, then do you even see colors? That made no sense. So this fabric has a rough texture to it, tough exterior. The pants are completely the same, and we do have pockets. Anything with pockets kind of win in my book. Oh my god. I know it's summer. You should still wear oversized sweaters during the summertime. I'm sorry, but that's just how it is. At least at nighttime, don't kill me. Are you freaking kidding me? Are you kidding me? Huge cotton oversized sweater with little scrunches here, and it has the word sell. It's so cute and dainty and tiny, like you don't even notice it. I feel like I have a small tattoo. It's softer than the Snuggie sweater. Imagine this with like some white socks and some sneaks around the bonfire. It's like wearing your boyfriend's sweater. Just effortless girly time with a bag. Just a plain Jane sweater. Love it. Here's a cute little skirt, and I actually think these two were supposed to be a set worn together. The texture is basically the same. Color is fairly the same. There is this underneath. Look how much texture this, dude. Why can't we speak? Okay, wait, like I don't know what to do with this one. I just rolled the sweater up. It's too chunky, so just ignore that. But look at the dress, the skirt. Okay, it's shorter at the butt. So much movement to this skirt. I feel like a flower. I'm here to play tennis. Move. Am I the only one? I don't know what to say. It just feels so cool. I don't own anything like this. That's the bottom. The skirt it's a sweater cut into little petals and then just like cinched onto as a skirt. Do they have pockets? Oh, curtsy. Look how much texture there is to this. And it's one full layer. So fun. It's like heavy as well. Good quality. It's a sweater but skirt form. Maybe this was extra fabric when they were making this sweater and they're like, oh, we don't want to throw this away. Look at all these scraps. We'll just make it into a skirt. So they scrapped it up, made it into a skirt, and I'm happy. So the next piece is this tank top, and I still have the skirt on. This is basically what I have left in this haul. It feels more like an athletic tank. I bought it in 4 colors. That's how excited I was because it's like, okay, this looks like a sturdy tank. It's gonna hold the girls. Has a very nice tightening cinch to your body. Just has like a nice, like, I know you don't have your life together, but I'm gonna hold you together. The only complaints, the cushion again, the pancakes. However, this time, there are slits on the side where you can go in and pull that out. I'm not sure though if that's a good idea because if I pull it out, then you're gonna see all of it. The nymphs and all. Even though it looks fitting to the body, I do feel my squishies at the back. As you can see, my squishies on the side. The jellyfish right here, they're just out enjoying the breeze. Pull my skirt down more. You can see how it has like that. Holds the girls, and then the straps are adjustable. You know this thing that people do? I can't do it because my arms are short. The straps are nice. They feel very, I was gonna say sturdy, but they literally look like they're holding onto a thread. If you had to run, because who chooses to run? They hold up. They're all right. That's nice to know, right, big booby girlies? Has this ribbing all the way down with this little like subtle inner line. It makes you just feel super symmetrical. Let me just quickly try on every color for you so you can kind of see and pick which one you want to try. Here's the rose brown one. I just realized the padding underneath is connected in lumpy. So what I'm gonna do is pull this one out so we can see how it looks like. They look like hands. They look like palms. It looks like it's going like this. Do they not? Am I wrong? It doesn't feel like you're spilling. So I don't really mind wearing it without the pad. I think I prefer it without the lumpy cushion. It's just like chunky. Say goodbye. If anything, just wear a bra or something. Here's the black one. I think the black one is fine. You don't really see the lump. The chunks, the trunk, the hump. Why does this one feel so low? This comes like kind of low down here. Suck in the back rolls. That's thoughtful. Thank you very much. And here's the white one. But look, you can see the hand holding pad. Probably my least favorite. If I recommend any color, it'd be the first one I tried and or the black one. Last but not least in this haul, I want to add this sweater that I got a while ago, but I didn't share it. It's also from Liphop. I'm not sure if they have their Liphop sweater sets anymore. I ordered the sweatpants with it as well, but I think they were out of order or they sold out. I didn't get the pants shipped to me. I just wish I had the track pants too. Man, I could have been a solid rock. Oh wait, so I reached into the depths of this box and realized I ordered some stick-on nails. I normally get the Dashing Diva ones, and these are the ones in collaboration with the Face Shop. We have this set. Look at this one. This is also so pretty. And then lastly, got this like nude marble look. That is technically all for this haul. I think this time around there weren't really new things on YesStyle under Liphop. However, I just put an order in recently for Liphop and they have a bunch of new like summer clothes and I cannot wait to show you guys those clothes because it's super like baddie thotty. Anyway, that is it for this haul. I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure to like this video and join me on Discord. No judgment whatsoever. That's it for this haul. Until next time, I'm sending love. Bye!